Aquarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong January 2024 love reading. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay and pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at ng TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Aquarius. Let's see. Love life ng mga Aquarius. Ngayong January 2024. Messages are coming through. Maraming gustong makipag-friends sa'yo. Lalo na sa trabaho. But you are very careful ngayon, no? Maingat na maingat ka ng pumili ng mga friends, connections. Meron ding nagkaka-crush, no? Merong interested sa'yo. But, I don't know kung ano nangyari in the past, no? Pero mukhang meron kang trust issues ngayon sa relationship. It's not easy, no? Hindi madali para sa'yo na magtiwala ulit sa relationship. Parang gusto mo lang, trabaho, no, related sa mga goals mo. But there is someone na interested sa'yo. And I think this person madalas magpapansin sa'yo. Nararamdaman mo na yung pagpapapansin niya. Oo, hindi mo lang pinapansin. Parang siguro nag-iisip ka kung totoo ba. Oo, or hindi mo lang talaga siya type. Pwedeng hindi mo siya type. Or wala ka sa ngayon na wala ka sa tawag dyan, hindi mo priority yung love life. I am triggered. An old pattern has surfaced and it hurts. Okay, na-trigger ka. Pwedeng meron ka na sanang nakakapalagayan ng loob, kaya lang meron tong nasabi or nagawa na triggering para sa'yo. Parang red flag sa'yo. Kaya parang, oops, no, ayaw na, ganon. We are alchemists. We transform fear into love and shadow into light. Gusto mo bago. Gusto mo na, if there is someone na darating sa buhay mo na you will deal with in a romantic way, this person ay dapat merong bago na ino-offer. Oo. Kumpara dun sa mga na-experience mo in the past. Someone that will surprise you. This journey is teaching us one of the most important spiritual lessons. Patience. Oh. Yung iba parang wala na kayong patience para sa mga nagkakaroon ng interest sa inyo na you feel like walang deep connection. I'm looking for a way out of the situation so I can be free. Possible that you still have something na kailangan pong i-work out sa sarili mo. Related sa past. Na hindi ka pa nag-heal. So, parang meron pang shadow of the past. Person from the past who has hurt you or ang tawag doon, na-disappoint ka. And dahil doon, tumaas yung standards mo. Yun nga lang, sa ngayon, ang mga nakikilala mo is hindi pumapasok dun sa standards na gusto mo. Timing and intentions, the planets are activating us to heal and bringing us closer together, surrender to the changes. So, I feel like there is someone na darating rin sa'yo eventually na, para talaga sa'yo. But at this time, as long as sa tingin mo hindi ka pa ready to entertain connections or to commit sa relationship, hindi mo naman kailangang madaliin yung sarili mo. Kailangan mo lang maging totoo dito sa mga tao na may interest sa'yo. Tapos, pwedeng you are pushing them away. Let them know, no, na you're not yet ready. Para hindi rin sila mag-e-expect. Diba? Where's this situation going? 3 of Swords. Oo, yung iba sa inyo, nandun pa rin kayo sa situation na you are still in pain. You've had a painful separation from someone in the past. And now you are starting all over again, no? Nagsisimula ka muli. And you want to focus more on balancing your time with yourself, with your family, sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. Kumbaga, binubuhos mo ngayon ang iyong oras, panahon sa career, sa finances, sa trabaho. Oo. But, it will really depend on each other situation. Meron kasi na iba tayo ng coping mechanism pagdating sa painful past. Yung iba, nag-move forward with other person. Yung iba naman, they still heal, no? Binibigyan nila ng time yung sarili nila na maghilom from the past. Yung iba naman, kahit na hindi nila inaalaw yung sarili nila to be in a relationship, andun pa rin yung natatrap pa rin sila dun sa energy ng past. So, it's time for you to release the old energies and embrace something new. Something new in your life. Try new things, experience new things. Kasi doon mo lang malalaman na marami pa palang opportunities ahead of you. Even sa relationship. 'Di ba? Speaking of maraming opportunities, you are limitless. You can do anything you choose. The only thing that is real is love. Shift your focus back to love. Yes. Which is, paano ba tayo mag-shift our focus back to love? Sa sarili natin. Doon yan magsisimula Yung love. Diyan nagsisimula yan. Focus on love. Look for the good in everyone. Yung iba kasi nagkaroon ng trust issues. Hindi na ganun kadali para sa inyo na magtiwala. Sometimes you push people away. And that's okay. May mga ganun naman talagang pagkakataon na kailangan nating maghilom. Kailangan natin ng time. Sabi nga, time heals all wounds. But of course, it takes a lot of effort din Kailangan din natin mag-effort. And, hindi naman porket just because gusto mo makamove on, papasok ka na agad sa relationship. 'Di ba? Parang may rebound agad. Hindi ibig sabihin gano'n. Ibig sabihin dito is mag-focus ka muna sa sarili mo. And I think that's what you are going to do ngayong January. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.